Start. Hello, myself Gunjan Shekhawat, and my today's topic is communication skill. Since the beginning of civilization, we are communicating. Human beings communicate, animals communicate, we communicate with animals, animals communicate with us. Communication skills involve a variety of ways, like there is non-verbal communication and there is verbal communication. In verbal communication, we use words, we use language. Human beings develop language. Before 80,000 ago, there is belief that 80,000 years ago language is developed, and after that 10,000 years ago agriculture is developed. Human beings communicated with the other species since the beginning. In the initial days, there is not language. Human beings invented it. Like, there is a difference between animals and us. Animals also communicate and we also communicate, but there is a difference in language. We have invented language because we are more evolved species. Our cognitive skills, our consciousness is higher, on the higher level of them. So we used to communicate with the help of pictures. Like the most oldest civilization is Sumerian civilization. The Sumerian civilization uses pictographs. We found evidence on the rocks and the pillars where they lived that they used pictures, like they drawed a fish picture, a circle pictures to communicate with the others. And in the initial, we didn't needed communication because human beings from Africa migrated to different Central Asia and long tribes. They used to wander like animals. They used to communicate when they are hungry. Like human babies cries when they are hungry. Like they don't know language, but they cry, they laugh, they smile. There are a lot of ways of communication. But when agriculture developed, the human civilization needed that we should have a ways in which we record data, because because of agriculture the civilization needed to be not be mobilized. Like they have to build a farm, they have to build a house to live. They gathered, like they had permanent settlements, so they invented languages, pictures, and after that among different civilization the language evolved. And we all know that how many languages are there. Like Chinese civilization has their language, Indian civilization has their language. We only in India have a lot of thousands of languages, like in which 22 are officials. So communication skills not only involve language, like it is oral way of communication, but there is written way of communication, like with pictures, and human beings draw drawings and they communicated through drawings. When we visit Indus Valley civilization, when we visit rock pillars, we see pictures, we gather information like what the people thought. In Egyptian civilization, they had carvings on their walls and on the pyramids. We have Mughal paintings and articrafts in Taj Mahal, in a lot of buildings where we see a lot of pictures. Like there is king who is sitting in his court and discussing on various matters. We have Radha Krishnan paintings on the walls of different ancient buildings, and through paintings we communicate. And the other way of communication is non-verbal communication. When we communicate with animals, like pets, the dog is the most loyal animal of the human beings. So when we communicate to pets, we use touch, we use body language, we use expressions to communicate. So it is another way of communication. So what is the use of communication skill? Can a person wouldn't survive without communicating? No, a person would easily survive without communicating, but he has no use. Like there is not any difference between him or an animal on the basis of communication. So in the 21st centuries, as National Education Policy 2020 also talk about 21 most important skills, 21st century skills, and there the communication skill is the most important factor, because a lot of people have knowledge about various subjects, but what the use of knowledge when you can't communicate with the other person? How will you teach other person? How will you make yourself expressible to another person when you don't have communication skill? The communication skills are needed in job, in industrial sectors, in companies. Like you have to give interview. In UPSC interview or other company interview, you have to show your communication skill, that how well you can answer those questions, what is your mindset, all of it you have to explain it through your communication skills. There are a lot of persons who can't speak, like for them there is Indian Sign Language, there is American Sign Language. You can learn sign language and communicate with them. So learning communication skill is the most important thing in today's world, because without communicating you wouldn't survive. Communication also clears misunderstanding. Like you could make a person believe yourself, you can convince him, and you can make him believe you that you are a trustable person through communication. If your communication skills are better, you develop a trustable and a loyal community. Thank you.